Hi guys, today in class we took our Unit 1 test. Okay, before we started, I had this question on the screen that asked, when do I flip the direction of the inequality symbol? And the answer to that question is anytime you are multiplying or dividing by a negative number. Okay, that is when the direction of that inequality sign will switch. Okay, we had some question and answer time about solving equations before we got started. And the directions to find your test are here. Okay, I'm going to put the link in Google Classroom for you to be able to click, and it will take you directly to this sign-in screen right here, Northeast Independent School District Student Online Testing. Okay, or you can log into your Launchpad. You're going to look for the app that says Aware Online Testing right here. It looks like a little laptop on a green background. Okay, when you get to this screen, you're going to use your student ID, your lunch number. Your password is going to be your birth date. Okay, so you've got to make sure that you use a 2-digit month, the slash, a 2-digit day, the slash, and a 4-digit year. Okay, the name of the test that you are taking is Ike Algebra Unit 1 Test 2021. Once you are in that test, go ahead and click Go to Test, and you may begin testing. If you are all caught up with your work as far as Khan Academy assignments go, right? We had a multi-step inequalities assigned. We had a solving equations with parentheses, fractions and decimals assignment for us to do. And there was a quizzes that we had the opportunity to go and make up. Okay, if you're done with all those things, you're caught up in the class, then enjoy your weekend. I will see you on Tuesday.